The following portion of My Carolina is sponsored by
Apprenticeship NC is a program that utilizes community colleges to match up students and employers across the state. It's a partnership that's paying off big time for everyone involved. Lisa Farlow from Sapona Plastics and apprentice Colby Edwards are here this morning with all of the details on all of that. Thank you guys for being here. We really appreciate it.
Pleasure.
Yes. Okay, so Colby, let's start with you. You're an actual apprentice right now,
yes,
getting ready to basically graduate from this program, correct?
Yes.
So tell me a little bit about your experience and why you think it's been beneficial for you.
It's been beneficial because I've learned so much, hands-on in the workplace. It's benefited me in my personal life, at home, working on stuff. It's amazing.
Yeah, absolutely. And what other benefits have you seen working for Sapona Plastics in particular?
It's working for Sapona Plastics. They've worked with me through everything, hands-on. I mean, they've been there, you know, step by step, and they've a college degree, fully paid for. I mean, no debt, you know, a job.
Right.
I mean, it's a win-win.
What more could you ask for, honestly?
That's right.
So how did you initially hear about apprenticeships, and you know, tell me about the process that it kind of was for as a high school student?
So in high school, my counselor brought it up, and I didn't really know what to do after high school. I didn't look into colleges and stuff, so I just decided to take a shot. And the steps were go to an orientation week, then you get chosen by companies, interviews, and now I'm here.
And this is the one, and now it's been 5 years, and it's about to be a graduation.
Yes.
That's amazing. So if there were somebody else out there who was interested in becoming an apprentice, what advice would you give them?
I'd say just do it.
Yeah.
I mean, you don't know until you try, and it's been amazing. These 5 years has just been awesome.
Yeah, and flown by, I'm sure.
Yes, they have.
So tell me a little bit about, Lisa, the apprenticeship program and sort of why you decided to be a part of it.
So Sapona Plastics was in the first group of companies that started Apprenticeship Randolph.
Wow.
And we became involved because it was so difficult for us to find quality employees in some specific areas.
Yeah.
Tool shop, which is where Colby is, our maintenance program, just hard to find good folks. And so we decided to become involved with Apprenticeship Randolph, and it has been wonderful. It's been a win-win for us.
Absolutely. I've done a few of these segments, and that's basically the consensus. It's just helped everybody involved. You know, the employer, the apprentice, the community, the economy. It's just so beneficial for everybody involved. So tell me a little bit about your experience with the benefits that you've seen for Sapona, for Colby, or other apprentices like him.
Well, for Colby and other apprentices, you get a great education, hands-on as well as classroom, and you get paid.
Yeah.
So
that's a dream.
That kind of sums it up for them. For us, we are getting talent that not only do we know what they're learning at school, but when you bring in an apprentice, you also get the opportunity to train them on the skills like how important it is to be reliable, how important it is to follow rules, the things that some kids get from their parents as great examples, and others maybe not as much.
Exactly.
And so you have the opportunity to teach them how important those skills are for success too.
Right.
So skills and then those types of adult type skills are invaluable.
Yeah, absolutely. What would you tell them? What advice would you give them to get started?
So there are, there's the state program, but then the local programs. So ours is Apprenticeship Randolph, and we have Stacy Miller, who is excellent, giving feedback, giving advice, telling you what to do along the way. So she was instrumental in helping us get it set up in Randolph County. So just use the folks that are there that know the program, ask the questions. Now that we've had several years under our belt, probably someone has asked those questions before, and they can help you out. And just realize that in addition to the kids learning and coming and working with you, part of your responsibility is to teach them how to be a responsible employee as well. So it's not just all what they're learning in school. So be willing to take on your role and your responsibilities as the employer and move forward, because you will love it.
Absolutely. Definitely some great advice there. If there were somebody out there interested in learning more, maybe asking Colby if you have some advice, you know, for an up-and-coming apprentice, how can they learn more? Where can they go for all of that information?
You can go to apprenticeshiprandolph.com.
Okay.
And it'll tell you all about Apprenticeship Randolph, and I'm sure that would be the same for any other apprenticeship program that you're looking into also. So
perfect. Guys, thank you so much for being here. We really appreciate all of that information.
Sure.
The preceding was sponsored by